In this video, I will be showing you how to change the language in Twitter web app. So let's get started. First thing, to the left we'll be having this more. Select it and click on settings and privacy. Here select accessibility, display and languages. Just select languages and click on app and post languages. Here we'll be having these many languages to choose from. You can simply search a language of your choice. So once you're done selecting that language, click on next and choose that language here and select next. Now as you can see, that particular language has been applied everywhere. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.